Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. Alright you guys, I got a good video for you guys, and this video I've been wanting to do for some time for you guys. Y'all know I'm always talking about deals, and couponing, and you might have heard me say this a couple of times throughout my videos. So I wanted to show you guys the website that I go to get coupons to shop at Lowe's and Home Depot. Alright, the website is called quickcoupons.com. Alright, and so I'm hoping that you guys can see this. I will put this in my description box below also. Alright you guys, so when you go to this website, you can buy coupons for 15% off from Home Depot, 20% off, $20 off at Lowe's. They vary from day to day. You also can buy coupons in bulk from Home Depot and Lowe's. Most of the time I do Lowe's. Very rare I do Home Depot because Home Depot is about 45 minutes away from me. Now, when you spend, you can get coupons for $20 off, $50 off, $100 off depending on the promotion. So most of the time my coupons are $20 off or $50 off depending on which ones I purchase, but most of the time it's the $20 off of 100. Alright, so in order to get the free items, like I was explaining to you guys in some old videos how you could get your blueberry plants, your grapevines, you could get all those type of items for free. You just got to reach that 100 mark before taxes. So once you reach the 100 mark, you give the the cashier your coupon, and they will deduct the $20 off. Now, a lot of times, well, not a lot of times, sometimes the coupon may not register with the barcode gun. If it doesn't, get your cashier to call the manager and they will manually take that $20 off. Now let's get back to how much these coupons cost. When you go to the site, the coupons are $2.95 each. You can use this code 35 off when you're checking out. Once you check out with your coupon, you should only spend $2 using the 35 off. You may see 20 now, like a lot of times they'll have this promo 20 now. Don't use the 29 now, 20 now. Use the 35 off so you can get it's like $1 and some change off. You'll come out paying like 180 something for the coupon, right? Now, when you use whatever method you use to check out your card, your Cash App, your PayPal, whatever, they will ask you for your email. So your coupon will come directly to your email as a PDF file. Once they send that, it's usually right away. Just snapshot it and put it, it'll be in your photos when you get ready to check out. You just show them your coupon, and they will use the barcode gun reader, and it should pick up. Now if it don't pick up, like I said, call the manager. Insist, be diligent, because a lot of these cashiers, they don't even know nothing about these coupons. So they'll ask you questions like, well, where did the coupon come from? Well, you got it off of a website. Simple. But be diligent. Insist, be nice, right? Be nice so that you can get your little $20 off, right? So let me see how I can show you. Let me find the Home Depot. So this week they're offering like 15% off. I'm really hoping you guys can see this. If not, just go to the website. See the $20 off 100 at Lowe's. You can buy these in packages like 5 for like about $6. And it's very simple. Like I said, the coupon will come directly to your email as a PDF file. Snapshot it, keep it in your pictures, and go shopping with it. I promise you, you'll be glad you're using this coupon. And I have saved so much money using this coupon on a regular. And most of the time when I'm shopping at Lowe's, it's either my bone meal and my blood meal is free, or my blueberries is free, or my grapes is free, or even some of my flowers that I have purchased over the years are free. So make sure you print these coupons, purchase them, $1 and some change. You'll save 18 bucks, 20 bucks, whatever you want to be technical. Yeah, you'll save $18, but you will be saving some money, I'm telling you. So I hope this video was informative to you guys, and make sure if you are shopping at Home Depot, a lot of times they have like 15% off, but they also have dollars off as well. So just check back, always check this website before you even go shopping, because they are always changing their coupons. Okay, so I think I covered everything in this video. It's simple, very simple. And as you key in quick coupons, you might even come across other websites that offer these coupons as well. But I deal with quick coupons, and they have always worked for me. And you have an option to pay through PayPal, your Visa, let's see, Discover, Amex, and MasterCard. So most of us have one of those. So you shouldn't have no problem checking out. Alright, family, so this is SEK, the Homestead. I hope this video has helped someone, and I will definitely put the link in the description box for these coupons. Alright, so I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, continue to stay safe and prep. I will see you guys real soon. Peace.